Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. There's a certain kind of tiredness that sleep alone doesn't fix. It's the tiredness of always being on, always seeing, always absorbing. The endless scroll, the constant updates, the quiet pressure to keep up, to respond, to compare, to stay visible. And even when you stop, it doesn't always stop inside you. The images linger. The voices echo. The sense that you should be doing more, being more, sticks with you. But right now, you're stepping out of that current. Not forever, just for now. And that's enough. Imagine just for a moment that everything you've seen today begins to drift away from you. Not forcefully, not all at once, just gently loosening its hold, like leaves floating down a quiet stream. Posts, opinions, headlines, messages, all of it slowly moving past you. You don't have to engage. You don't have to react. You can simply watch it pass. And as it does, notice what remains. Not the noise, not the urgency, just you, still here, still steady, still enough. There's nothing you need to prove in this moment. No one is watching. No one is evaluating. No one is expecting anything from you. You are allowed to disappear for a while, and nothing important about you will be lost. Let your awareness begin to settle inward, away from the outside world, and towards something quieter, more grounded, more real. There's a version of you that exists completely outside of comparison, outside of metrics, likes, views, reactions. A version of you that doesn't perform. That version of you is still here, waiting patiently beneath all the noise. And as you rest here, you might begin to notice your body in a softer way. The weight of your shoulders beginning to lower. The small muscles in your face releasing their tension. your hands no longer holding anything. Nothing to check, nothing to refresh, nothing to reach for. Even your thoughts begin to slow their pace. No longer jumping from one thing to the next. No longer pulled in 100 directions. Just settling. If any lingering thoughts come in, a notification you didn't answer, something you said, something you saw, let it pass like the others. No need to follow it. No need to solve it. It belongs to the world you stepped out of, and you can return to it later, but not now. Now, you are here, in a space where nothing is being asked of you, where your worth is not measured, where your presence is enough. Imagine placing your phone somewhere far away, not dramatically, not permanently, just setting it down in another room. And as you do so, notice the quiet that follows. A deeper quiet. One that feels unexpectedly comforting. You are not missing anything important. This moment is important. This rest matters. Let yourself sink a little deeper into that feeling. The absence of urgency. The absence of comparison. The absence of noise. There is a steadiness underneath all of this. A calm that has always been yours. It doesn't depend on what others are doing or what you haven't done yet. It simply exists, and you are allowed to return to it as often as you need. Your mind continues to quiet. Your body continues to soften, and the world you stepped away from grows more distant, less urgent, less heavy. You don't need to carry everything you see. You don't need to respond to everything that appears. You don't need to keep pace with everything that moves. You are allowed to move at the speed of your own life. And right now, that speed is slow, gentle, restful. Let yourself drift here for a while. No scrolling, no input, no output. Just stillness, just rest, just you. And if sleep finds you here, you can let it. Gently, naturally, without effort. Because you have stepped out of the noise and into something quieter, something kinder, something that asks nothing of you except to rest. And you can stay here for as long as you need.